Born to believe. Born to ride. Born to embrace. Born to live the only way we know how. Dirt, oil, and sparks, those things make us comfortable. An open road is more exciting than a happy hour. In situations that others shy away from, we handle head first. We relax in unique ways. Our idea of relaxation may look a little different. Our minds are constantly searching for that next thrill. The drive for perfection never escapes us. We haven't missed a race yet. Why should we start now? Integrity, sweat, and innovation built us. Our employees are passionate and love their craft. We're family-owned, American-made, and dedicated to enhancing the lifestyle. Never settling, accepting all challenges that come our way. We've become the industry leader because anything besides the best isn't an option, period. And we create all of our products right here in America, and we are damn proud of that. Sully, Iowa, in fact. With a population of less than 1,000, this is where it all happens. We've been your trusted partner in garages for decades, lending a hand to your adventurous lifestyle. Born to work smarter and play harder. Handy.